Once upon a time, in the lush, vibrant hills of Jamaica in the 1940s, there lived a young woman named Mrs. Parks. She was a dedicated schoolteacher, her smile as warm as the Caribbean sun, her heart full of hope and kindness. Every morning, she would walk through the mango groves and coconut trees to her humble schoolhouse, her beauty shining bright as she nurtured young minds with stories of love, history, and dreams. Far down in the fertile valleys, there was a young farmer named Mr. Parks. He was strong and gentle, with hands weathered by the toil of the land, yet his eyes held a tenderness that matched the deep blue Caribbean Sea. Every evening, after tending to his crops sweet yams, lush bananas, and bright peppers, he would sit on his porch and dream of a future filled with love and happiness. One fateful day, Mrs. Parks was walking home from school when she passed Mr. Parks tending his fields. Their eyes met, and in that moment, an unspoken connection sparked like lightning across a clear Jamaican sky. From that day, they found reasons to cross paths, Mrs. Parks visiting his farm to buy fresh produce, Mr. Parks stopping by the school to listen to her teach. Their love grew like the tropical rain, gentle yet powerful, nourishing everything around them. Every stolen moment, every shared smile beneath the shade of the breadfruit trees, was a testament to their deep, warm affection. Mr. Parks would often surprise Mrs. Parks with a bouquet of wildflowers, his eyes shining with devotion. She, in turn, would read stories of love and hope to her students, her voice soft and full of emotion. One evening, under the golden glow of the setting sun, Mr. Parks took Mrs. Parks by the hand and whispered, "My love, you are the sunshine that brightens my every day." Tears of joy glistened in her eyes as she replied, "And you, my dear, are the roots that keep my heart grounded and strong." Their love, born in the warmth of Jamaica's paradise, was an unbreakable bond, an enduring testament to the power of love, hope, and the simple beauty of life shared between a farmer and a teacher. And so, in that small, vibrant corner of the island, their story became a cherished legend, a warm embrace in the tapestry of Jamaican history.